Arizona Desert Shocks is more than just shocks. We engineer direct fit suspension components to endure even the most demanding off-road conditions. And our heavy-duty tubular control arm kits for the 2021 to 2024 Bronco are a perfect example. With its combination of GOAT mode and nearly 12 inches of ground clearance, it's easy to see why the new Ford Bronco is so popular in the off-roading community. So it's no surprise that ADS developed a full line of Bronco-specific upgrades, and we just added tubular control arms to our playlist. ADS's front and rear tubular control arms were engineered to maintain the proper camber and caster angles, and they're designed to accommodate leveled suspension setups or lifts up to 4 inches when used together. Constructed of rugged 188 thousandths wall DOM steel, our front control arm tubes measure 1 1/4 inch in diameter and feature acetyl copolymer bushings and heavy-duty ball joints that offer significantly less deflection compared to the stock rubber pieces. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, the stock Bronco control arms hang low, so ADS designed its rear control arms to provide additional clearance to avoid snagging critical components on rocks, stumps, or other obstacles on the trail. Both the upper and lower rear control arms are built using 2-inch diameter, 1/4 inch wall DOM steel for superior strength. They also utilize 1 1/4 inch heim joints and high-density polyurethane bushings for increased articulation and durability. ADS's rear control arms also allow for wheelbase adjustments. This allows you to center the tire, compensate for lift kits, or even stretch it out a bit. ADS tubular control arms deliver a great balance of road comfort combined with the ability to handle all the trail abuse you can throw at it. Both front and rear control arms are finished in a sleek gloss black powder coating for superior corrosion resistance. The included ball joint dust cover is CNC machined from billet 6061 aluminum, anodized in gold, then laser engraved with the ADS logo and protected with a clear powder coat for UV resistance. Built to last, ADS control arms are fully rebuildable and come equipped with grade 8 hardware. The kits were designed to be incorporated into ADS's full line of Bronco-specific suspension components. They pair perfectly with our direct fit race series coilovers for the ultimate off-road combo. And don't forget to explore a complete lineup of Bronco upgrades, including our heavy-duty sway bar inlinks, a beefy adjustable panhard bar, and more. The Gen 6 Bronco is a more than capable rig right out of the box. But with a little help from ADS, our hard-charging line of suspension components will give your Bronco the perfect balance of form and function so you can make the most out of every trip you take. To learn all about direct fit suspension components from Arizona Desert Shocks, visit us at adsshocks.com.